Okay, cool. Alright, I'm gonna get that one for you. Alright, honey, bye.
Tell her I said bye too. So I'm going that same route again. I'm taking the cat route. There's the trolley. That's probably the same as that trolley. It's not 6 yet, so I can make that right. Let's see if we find that crazy cat. This is the area. He's not around. Wanted to tell him sorry. If you live in Philly and that cat died in the street, he would still be in the street. Trust me, he would still be laying in the street right now. It will definitely be an idiot that says, you wear the same clothes every day. You wear the same shirt every day. Not understanding that I'm at work. Sorry I'm not looking in the camera. I'm kind of like looking at myself. It's a little weird. It's only 8:36 a.m. So I did one flight. I got another flight coming in soon, but I'm gonna go eat some breakfast. I think I said that I'm not gonna eat the breakfast anymore, but hey, changed my mind. I'm hungry, so gotta eat. What the fuck is that noise? Now, if I get stuck in this elevator, oh, I was about to say, we accept live animals here at my job. And a crew had got 2 German Shepherds that were military trained. Like, they were like those super aggressive German Shepherds that if they don't know you, they will tear your ass apart. Y'all don't understand how scared of dogs I am. Dogs, like big dogs. Well, I kind of run from little dogs too, but big dogs, I try to stay away from them big German Shepherds and them crazy dogs that be coming through here. We do get dogs, but I be getting like them little Chihuahuas and Yorkies and stuff like that. Luckily, never came across the big crazy ones.
Stand to the right or walk to the left.
Want to race me?
No.
You sure? I'm gonna count to 10, all right? And then we're gonna start. You cheating, you got a head start. First you say no, then you start racing me. Hey, I'm recording. Hey.
Hey,
What's up?
how are you? So stupid.
So I'm literally going to my final flight right now, and it should be leaving out at 1:55. The crew that's on the gate, they leave at 2 o'clock, so they can't really do that flight. So they making us do it. Welcome to Better Vlogs. Anybody in competition already lost. Always number one in my position, Randy Moss. Claim you know somebody better? I bet it's false. I say you better not be getting on this elevator with me.
Yes, I am.
What's up?
Yo, he gonna put it up on the thing, yo. Chill out. Put her on there. Put her on there, Neil.
Look at this. Look at this.
Get her, Neil.
Oh, that's yo. I just noticed she work here.
Look who it is, Neil.
Oh, she owe me $3.
Oh, you go $3.
It tastes good.
Oh, you gonna get paid or wait till come over our paying? I ain't playing like the
Is it good, Gator?
Yes.
What is it?
Shots of stuff.
Shots of stuff.
Yo, she over here getting samples. Yo, get a sample. Look.
And she trying to get filled up.
She
Trying to get $18 worth of samples.
she over here
Yo,
sampling.
why you cutting?
You know, I'm gonna come get it next time. She full. She walk away full.